Look at him, he's sitting in the water. Oh my god, she's bathing in the mud. Oh my god, we're at 60, I just noticed. 61! What's going on, people of YouTube? It's Steel. Don't really have a name for this channel yet. So I'm just gonna call myself Steel because that's my name. So today I'm kind of just gonna be introducing who I am, what I ride, which isn't hard to guess. We're on the Honda Grom. It's a 2020. I just picked it up off of Facebook about, I don't know, 2 months ago. And it's my first bike I've ever bought. See, I would get in front of these people here in this little side lane, but the Grom's just too slow, man. It's too slow. Every time I try to lane split and I get in front of people, I don't have enough oomph to go ahead of the traffic, man. These people, maybe it's just California. Yeah, I think California drivers just drive really fast. I mean, we're really supposed to be going like 35 on this road, but as you can see, I'm going 50, and I can't even keep up with the little Ford Ranger, honestly, I can't. The reason I started motovlogging was basically because YouTube is something I just really enjoy doing. I've always done YouTube, whether it be gaming or car stuff or tutorials, you know, just whatever it may be. I just genuinely enjoy creating my own thing. I think the plan with this channel really is just to document my journey, learning how to ride, and, you know, potentially upgrading to bigger bikes in the future, which I do want to do. You know, I'm already experiencing that problem with the Grom where you can't go over, you know, maybe 60 miles an hour, and I already want to get on the highway. Whoa, watch out. So I can ride around and make some cooler videos for everybody on here. But yeah, it's really just to document the journey, and that way one day I can look back and be like, oh hell yeah, remember when I had the Grom, my very first bike. Let me know what you guys ride down in the description. If anybody, or in the comments, sorry, not the description. If anybody is even watching this video, I don't even know if this is going to get on the algorithm. Oh, thought I had another gear again. Today, I don't really know where we're going. We're kind of just riding around. I might stop up here at this school so I can show you the bike. It has some modifications on it. I didn't do the modifications, I just bought it this way. And I don't know shit about Honda Groms or really bikes in general yet. Let's pull over in this school. I don't know if that's a bad idea or what, but a little tour of the Grom. So we've got the Pro Taper bars. I think I got the bars. We got the Pro Taper grips. We got the blue handles, clutch, brake. And we got the little, I think people call it the Yoshimura exhaust, but I don't think that's what it is. I think it's just like a cheaper Amazon knockoff. But hey, it's super loud and it sounds good. And if there's anything else you guys see done to this bike, I don't know how they come stock and everything. I'm not too well versed in the Groms, but let me know if there's anything else that's done to it that I'm not recognizing. And of course, I got the knobby tires. One thing, I don't know if anyone's considering buying these knobby tires, but one thing with them is they're loud. They have loud road noise. And that's just one thing that kind of bothers me, especially when I'm like going maybe 10 or 15 miles away and I'm just like cruising, you know, at like 55 miles an hour. It's loud. See, you can hear that tire noise. I bet the mic picks it up. When you go clutch in and you can't hear the exhaust, all you hear is tire noise. Look at those kids on the bike were looking at me. They look like some wheelie demons. They're probably wondering if I can wheelie. I always get asked by people if I can wheelie. That's like, if you buy a Grom, the number one question you're gonna get is, hey man, pop a wheelie. Can you pop a wheelie on that thing? And I don't know how, so maybe that'll be a future video. We'll do a video on how to wheelie from a beginner's perspective. how fast we can get her up too. Come on, baby. Let's go. Come on, let's hit 60. 59. Can she do it? Go, go, go. It's struggling. No. The wind's pushing back against us. Where's the 60? There it was. Oh yeah, 60 miles an hour. Okay, so right up here is the homeless camps. And I think I'm gonna ride down the little trail just to show you guys what's going on over here. And this is the kind of the trail I'm talking about. So we're gonna go down this way. See if these guys get mad at us. Are they gonna say anything? No, they ain't gonna say nothing. That's what I thought. It's like a little racetrack, but yeah, look at that, look at that. Oh my god. Dude, it's like a fucking neighborhood back there, look. Holy shit, you see the dogs, you can smell stuff cooking. Look, they got a four-wheeler back there. I just seen that. I bet it's stolen. I bet somebody was missing a four-wheeler. There's an STI. Subi. Let's see what else they got going on. Look, they even got boats, dude. Damn. You homeless, you just fucking boat around. That's crazy. Look, there's another one right there. It's like little islands back here. It's so weird. I mean, is this... Look at him, he's sitting in the water. Oh my god, she's bathing in the mud. This is crazy. You know, if I was homeless though, I think I'd want to be homeless in California. Mainly just because of the weather. Right now it's 75 degrees, sunny. It is July. And it's amazing. Even though I know I'm not supposed to be in here, we're gonna keep it nice and quiet. Here, you know what? We'll go this way. Let's get a good rip down the road right here. Ready? Oh yeah. Dead animal. Dodge. Did a little backfire in his face. Come on, baby, 56. Oh, we don't got much more in her. Tunnel. Sounds pretty good, but you know, being a car guy just doesn't sound as good. So where I'm from in Stockton, California, this is northern Stockton. This is a nicer part of town. I guarantee you that the rest of the city does not look like this. But I live over here in this area, and I love this area. I think it's really pretty. I like all the trees. There's purple, green. Look, there's pink trees, red trees, blue trees. Or that's not a tree, but you know what I mean. Let me know in the comments where you guys are from. What city, what state are you guys riding the Grom in? I would love to know. Okay, this is back where I came from. So I'm going the right way. Another thing I love about the Grom, guys, is I am full wide open throttle everywhere I go. And I mean everywhere I go. And it goes to show, you know, when people say riding a slow bike fast is funner than riding a fast bike slow, I think it's fucking true. Because if I had, it's hard to even control the throttle on a motorcycle in the first place. It's hard to respect it, but with the Grom, you don't have to respect it. You can just go ham. Hi, doggy. Another thing I love about the Grom is you can just beat the absolute hell out of it, and it gets amazing gas mileage. When I fill this baby up, I put literally $5 in, at most, $5, and I just rip around for like a whole week, and I don't have to get gas. It's amazing. Miles per gallon. Purple, pink, green, white, palm tree, that's a cool truck. I like the little lift. It looks like a little trophy truck. Oh my gosh. CRV stands for Comfortable Runabout Vehicle. I literally never knew that. You learn something new every day. I just saw it on his back of his, like, tire cover. But we're mobbing. 58, we're mobbing. Oh my god, we are flying on the ground. Alright. Alright guys, so that's gonna conclude it for today's video. Please leave a like and comment if you want me to release another motovlog. It's my very first one. If there's anything I can work on, I love constructive criticism. But yeah guys, just let me know and have a good day.